Hello children, I am Sariza from KVK and Ghaziabad, brought a lesson of maths for class 3rd, and today the topic is time goes on. Well, before we start the lesson, you have to answer this riddle. Are you ready children? So tell, I am something that is often round, but I am not a pizza base. I have hands but don't have fingers, and have numbers on my face, so guess who am I? You are correct children, I am a clock. All of you have seen clocks all around you. It tells us time and helps to set our daily routine. So today we will learn everything about clock, time and calendar. Children, clocks are wonderful inventions. Humans have used clock for a really long time. In the ancient world, the common type of clock was the sundial. Sundials were accurate but are not used often today. Today, most clocks are digital clocks. They are simple to use. They simply shows the digits for the hour and the minutes. So here we have a digital clock. On the left, we see the hour. It is 7. On right, we see the minutes. So what time it is according to this watch? Yes, it is 7:10. 10 minutes past 7 o'clock. Digital clock are not the only way to see the time. Have you ever seen a clock like this? Yes, this is called analog clock. It is a different way to display time. Let us learn how to use an analog clock. First, let us learn few fun thing about this clock. The front is called the face of the clock or the dial. Just like you have a face, an analog clock has a face. That's right. The face includes the numbers and all marks on the clock. The face, sometimes called the dial, has two main parts that points to the number and spin around. They are called hands. The shorter hand is the hour hand. It shows us what hour it is. The hour hand is short. The longer hand is the minute hand. It points to the minutes. Let us go back to our analog clock and see what time it is. Let us look at the hour hand, and first, what number is it pointing at? Yes, at the number 3. Great job! So it is third hour. Now let us read the minutes. To find out the minutes, we need to count by fives. All the small line between the numbers on the face of clock represents minutes. To find out the minutes, we need to count by 5 around the clock, or we need to just say the table of 5 around the clock once. Let us start from number 12. Number 12 is like starting line. If the minute hand at 12, it means 0 minutes. Then the 1 is 5, 2 is 10, then 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Then back to 0. All we have to do is count by 5. Okay, so we are ready to find what time it is. We already know the hour. The hour is 3. Yes. Now we have to figure out the minutes, and the minute hand is pointing out at 12, which means how many minutes? 0. Yes, we always write the minutes with 2 digits, so we write 2 zeros. What is this time? Yes, 3 o'clock. Great job children. Let us take another clock and find out the time. You may see that our end is pointing towards 2, which means it is 2 o'clock something. Now let us find minutes. We'll start from 12. 12 means 0, 1, 5, 2, 10, 3, 15, 4, 20, 5, 25, 6, 30. So the time is 2:30. Now, as we have learned to read the clock, let us have a look on the daily routine of Ishan and find out at what time he do what. He wakes up early in the morning at 7 o'clock. Then 7:30 he have breakfast and get ready for school. 8 o'clock Ishan is off to school. At 3 p.m. he comes back from school. At 5 o'clock in the evening, he plays with his friends at his home. It was Ishan's daily routine which was set with the help of a clock. A Apart from daily routine, many of us have other kind of routines also, such as weekly routine or monthly routine. To set one's weekly routine or monthly routine, one must learn to read the calendar. In this part of video, I'll tell you how to read a calendar. So let's start. Let us look at the calendar to see the division of time that shows you the months, weeks and days in one year. Let us count the numbers of months that we have in a year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 months in a year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Some months have 31 or 30 days. Let us see the months that have 30 days. That's April, June, September, November. Which months have 31 days? January, March, May, July, August, October and December. February is the shortest month. It has only 28 days. A month is made of weeks. A week has 7 days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. A day is made of 24 hours. 1 hour is made of 60 minutes each. On calendar, we see some important festivals too. Here are 10 important festivals that you may see on the calendar of year 2020. Let us learn to guess someone's age. Age is measured in years. Ria was born on January 8, 2004. How old she would be on June 8, 2011? First, let us write year from 2004 to 2011 in a line. Now, let us count this. There would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that would be 7 years. And then January, February, March, April, May, June. 5 months. So Ria would be 7 years and 5 months old on June 8, 2011. One day Ria would be 5 years old. Ria was born in year 2004, so adding 5 years to it become 2009. So Ria would be 5 years old on January 2009. How old do you think Ria would be in 2043? Let us do an easy matter. Here, let us subtract 4 from 43, that is 39. Ria would be 39 years old in 2043. Now, as we have learnt everything about the calendar, it's time to learn some magical tricks on calendar. Here you may see a calendar of February of year 2007. Let us mark a square on the calendar and see some magic. So here we go. Which is the number in the center of the square? You may see that 13 is at the center of the square, which is marked in your book. Join 3 numbers by drawing a line. After joining it, you may see here that 4 lines which pass through the number of center have been drawn here. So if someone asks how many such lines you can draw, the answer would be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, you are supposed to add the 3 numbers which are situated on one line, such as 5, 13, 21. Add them up together. The answer would be 39. Now, on the next line, 6 plus 13 plus 20, that is also 39. Now on the third line, 19 plus 13 plus 17, and again you get 39. 12 plus 13 plus 14 is equal to 39 again. So this is a magical trick that you can do on your calendar. Here you are asked to take a calendar of current year and look for the present month and try this magic yourself. It's quite interesting, children. Let us have more fun and learn some more magical tricks. Look here, this is the month of March 2007. All the 7 days are here. Now come to the Thursday. In this column, 15 is the middle number. If you multiply 15 by 5, you will get 75. On the other hand, if you add up all the 5 numbers, together, then even you get 75. It's a simple trick. You just multiplied 15 with 5 and got the correct answer without adding all the numbers. If we try the same trick on Friday's column, even then we may see that after multiplying the middle number, which is 16, by 5, we get 80, which is equal to sum of all the 5 numbers in the Friday's column. In the same way, we may see on the Saturday column that after multiplying the middle number 17 with 5, we get 85, which is also equal to the sum of all the 5 numbers in the column of Saturday. You may try these tricks yourself with your family members and friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Be happy. Keep smiling.